Ain't no way, bro. I've been waiting for this all day, guys. Get inside, guys. Niggas been waiting for you. Alright, y'all. It's King Reese. And that clip, y'all saw me bring this package in, bro. If you like one of my friends or my girl, y'all know I've been literally waiting next to the door all day for this, son. Nah, let me tell y'all. I'm gonna set the camera up right now. Alright, that looked like a pretty good angle. But look, as you guys can see, I'm not gonna show too much. I got all my info, but I got PS5, bro. Alright, so let me tell y'all. Let me get the knife real quick. Hold up. Let go. Alright, so dang, son. So I ordered this joint from StockX. I ordered it on the 17th, and it is the 31st. Alright, so you know that's the time period. I ordered it as soon as I got my little stimmy. I said, alright, stimmy gone. I need this PS5 right now. Feel me? Yeah. Your mama. Your mama. Where's mama? I'm gonna get right into it, bro. But yeah, that's the order process, and I think like, bro, the shipping. Oh, let me get into the price. Let me relax. The price was $6 something, like I don't know, like 50 something, right? Bro, when I tell you tax on the PS5 was like 40 something. Shipping was like $20.99, and there's like a service fee for even more bread. You feel me? So it came up to almost 800 because it was 772 like total. You feel me? And the shipping was like basically like once everything is verified, and like they gotta ship it to StockX, then they gotta ship it to your house. So after it was shipped to StockX and they said it was verified, it took them a whole day to ship it out. And after that day, I think it was basically 2 day shipping, to be honest. It actually said it said I was gonna get it April 3rd. Like when I had first ordered it, it said expected by April 3rd, and I got it early, so on the 31st of March. Feel me? So happy about that. Bro, it's StockX legit, cuz. Yo, you're fighting the knife, son. Yo, what's going on with you? Yo, it's different when you pay resale for this, bro. It's different, bro. I don't know if the box is in good condition. This box, I don't know if I can see it, but it's a couple little nicks on the sides and all of that, especially over here. Little nick right there. Little nicks on basically every corner. Oh, is this just falling out the box? Come, look at the bottom of the box, bro. This is bad, cause StockX is falling out. Bro, look at this. StockX is falling. They give me a gift card, my dude. What is this? Yo, they gave me a picture from the CEO. What the? A picture of a bag. But yo, if it's a bag in here, cause I'm gonna get so mad, cause and this bag worth more than the PS5. But they get, why? Why is this in here? I don't. What the heck? But yeah, I got the digital version. Straight digital, baby. We're gonna download StockX. We keep this sticker forever. Cause I'm probably not gonna order from there again, so I'm just having. But yeah, downside is that the box is a little ripped at the bottom. I don't know if I can see it for real. Make sure y'all could. A little ripped at the bottom. Like StockX was jumping out the gym, not jumping out the box, my guy. That's how much it was. Let me see if I can see. Y'all get it. 772, like I said. See, I don't cap. You feel me? Alright. Got a little StockX label on it. Let me see if I can really see though. Oh, y'all good. StockX label. We got the slick black box, nigga. Get into that. It's a verification and another one. So it better not be tampered with, my nigga. Better not. And a PlayStation. Nigga just tampering with the butt though. Like, come on, they wildin'. They wildin', G. You gonna cut that off? What, PlayStation Nation? Let's get it out, G. P5, cuz. P5. It's a good day to be alive.
with the P5, nigga. But this jump better be, I can't believe it. I paid 800, bro. I paid 800 for the P5. My bad, I looked down, like I thought I saw something. See if I'm still recording. Oh, wow. Y'all see a plain PlayStation box, guys. Without the glasses. Yeah, I see. P5, G. P5, guys. Yeah, I'm about to be playing 2K next gen, boy. Hold on. What's these? Wow, ain't not been tampered with. That's what it's saying. Got the new controller. I ain't never felt this junk in my hand, for real. Controller feels like so like into the controller type stuff. If you get what I'm saying. Does it feel too much? The controller has a completely different feel. Let me see. I think PS4 has always been that way. But like the buttons stick out a little more on this controller. The buttons stick out a little less on this one. But I don't think it's gonna bother me for real. I just gotta get used to it. Feel me? So I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna use it right now, guys. Just gotta get used to it. You heard? Alright, that's what's in it. So all the papers, all that bull, like, we don't need that. Got the stand, so you know we could stand on it. Feel me? Cause I stand on everything I say when I'm about. I stand on that. Feel me? Stand what? Your mama. I stand on it, guys. Alright. Stand, I'm gonna screw this on the bottom. I hope the PS5 not screaming. That'd be a bummer, my guy. Then they start screaming at me, cuz I'll be angry, son. Alright, so now let's get to the real stuff. Look, charger. Oh, this is the power cord. I should put all the stuff like right here. Get out of here. Put the stuff right here. Boom. Bada bang. Bada boom. Bada bang. We got. They literally gave me a random picture. I don't know what this is, but it's something that I might keep for life. I gotta read it though. Yeah, I mess with this. I don't know why they gave me this though. Design. It's just a card saying that I bought it, I guess. Order number on it and all. You feel me? Let's get to that P5, G. Yo, hey, yo. Ain't no way. This junk mad heavy, cuz. It was wrapped. Well, not wrapped, but like this is on top of it. And one of these was on the bottom. And that's all that's in the box. You feel me? Stock X. Hopefully legit. It should work. I mean, everything's all. I'm pretty sure it's brand new. Stock X is valid, bro. Stock X is valid, guys. You see this? It's valid, G. Stock X don't play, bro. Feeling good. Finally get one of these. Finally get one of these in my hand, bro. I'm looking rough right now, but I don't care, bro. I had to get the video for y'all. Y'all want to see when I finally got it. All y'all haters who said, oh, you're poor, you can't just buy it for resale. It sounds stupid. I wanted to save my money. Still couldn't, man. But whatever. That's the beast. It's that P5, y'all. Everything seems to be all good. I'm about to try to plug it in, start it up, and yeah, I'm gonna try to transfer all my stuff over. But I'm gonna let y'all know that the ordering process did go from the 17th to the 31st. It kind of felt long, but it's gonna feel long when you just, waiting for that PS5. And it is long because, they make sure that everything is verified. I don't think you can really get scammed off StockX for real with the verification. But yeah, I'm rocking with it. I'm gonna try to transfer all my information over. Alright, y'all. I'll see you in a second. I transferred whatever I had to transfer, you feel me? Sitting nice right over there. got it on the stand. So it's not just, you know, on the floor type stuff. But you see that? That's an external hard drive. All I had to really do was plug that in, and all my games are just automatically there. There's no downloading really. Only thing I transferred was like a few, like my account and a few videos. Basically, like all my stuff is on that hard drive, so I didn't have much to transfer. But yeah, this end of the video. StockX is, if you're buying for resale price, StockX is definitely the way to go. Most secure, safe way, probably the cheapest way. You feel me? $772. It was like 600 something, but then you know they add a bunch of fees. You about to check out. Nigga said, yeah, pay for that, and yeah, just give me that money. And hit me with a combo, my God. But yeah, it took around 17th to the 31st, like 2 weeks. About 2 weeks. You feel me? But you know, you paying for good stuff, my nigga. And then when it starts getting shipped to your house, then you can start, you know, tracking it on UPS and all of that. And yeah, I'm out of here, man. If you guys mess with, you know, 2K, I look at my channel, I upload a lot more than 2K, but I just got next gen, so I'm gonna start uploading a lot of 2K now. You mess with 2K, bro, or Warzone, subscribe to the channel, bro.